Let's make one more SolidWorks surface exercise, and we will make this 3D curve or 3D model in SolidWorks with the help of surface feature, surface Loft feature. Now you will see this is a 2 millimeter thick. All dimensions are in millimeter, material 2 millimeter thick. Now let's start. Now see this front view, 50 42 height. Now here corner radius 14, then there is one more radius 27, 13.5 the last radius, but there is a distance given 11 12. So in front panel we will make this, and in top panel 50 100 30, this outer line we are going to create. Now here activate, click front plane sketch. Now I am going to activate, let's say activate line tool, draw first outer line. Now go back to here and go back to the point and see the line is converted into arc. Now again if you click and move your line and see it is again converted into line, again move this line to point and again move and see this is converted into arc. Now again press somewhere and move cursor and again go back to the point and connect with this. Press escape key to out. Now hold shift and select these two lines, and here choose construction geometry, smart dimension 50 millimeter, 42 millimeter. Okay, now distance from here to here it's 12 millimeter. $11 millimeter. Okay, now define radius, and this is going to be 14 millimeter, 27 millimeter, and the third one is 13.5 millimeter. Look, drawing is fully defined. Simply exit and activate this time top plane sketch. Now activate corner rectangle and start from origin point. Activate fillet 30 millimeter and select one corner. Say OK, cancel and activate smart dimension. Now length goes 100 millimeter, 50 millimeter. Now drawing is fully defined, but we need this outer curve only. So hold shift key, select these two lines. Here select construction geometry. Look, fully defined sketch, exit, go to isometric view. Now see top plane created. Now let's make right plane. Right plane sketch. Now let me draw one center line, reference line actually. These lines are important, otherwise it makes difficult. $142. Okay, now activate line tool, start from this point. Now see this is a line. If I go back to the point and it is converted into arc, see, again go back to the point and again the line converted into arc. Press somewhere here, exit. Now delete this relation, move something. Now just move somewhere something like this. Again move this one also. Again activate 3-point arc, connect these 2 points. Now select this point, tangent. Smart dimension, I am going to define these 2 points, 10 millimeter, 19 millimeter. Now let's check this. There is a curve R30, 35, 95 millimeter, 42, and this overall length you will calculate from top view, 2 millimeter thickness. That's it. Now let me define this. 30, the inner one 35, and the last one is going to be 95. Now look, drawing seems fully defined. You don't need to define anything. That's why I make this construction geometry first. Exit, go to isometric view and look. Now right click on any command manager, go to tabs, and here activate surfaces, lofted surface. Now here first we have to choose profile, which profile we are going to create. Now I am going to select sketch 1 and sketch 2. Now look, nodal point selected end to end. You will see the preview. It is not guided, it is just simply created. Now we don't need constraint point because we already have all the points and dimensions. Even if you put normal to profile, see, you have to apply some angle or dimensions, it will move this side, but we don't want to make this. Simply choose none. Guided curve, I am going to select this one. Now look, in guide curve influence type you can choose sharp or something, but for a time being this is going to be work perfectly. See, now come down, merge 10 faces, show preview. Okay, now look, now activate thicken. Now select the surface. Here choose 1 millimeter. Okay. Now you will see the preview how it's going to create. If I am going to choose here top plane, look, this is going to perpendicular towards plane, but it will, you will see here it's going to damage the overall thickness. Edit feature and simply uncheck clear. Okay, now we will see a uniform thickness across all body. This is happened due to geometry. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.